Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm starting a new series called The Survival World of Epicness. Yay! So this is a survival vanilla world where I just do crazy things. Absolutely crazy things. Yeah. It's laggy. Anyway, let's get back straight into the video. Can I see a chest for the unloaded chunks? Nah, I can't see a chest. I don't think there's a chest in here. I'm not gonna bubble. Yeah, I'm planning on building a creeper head for my house. If you want me to build a different thing, tell me what you want me to build. If you don't want me to build a different thing, don't tell me what you don't want me to build. Look at that, I'll just build a creeper head. Yeah, I didn't do a face cam in the last video because I didn't know how to do it, but now I know how to do it, so yeah. I wasn't using a different recorder or anything, I just didn't turn it on. And also I think this right here, where you see my face, should be called a face cam, but it's actually called a webcam. And look at this. Here's my face. Hello? It's frozen. Yeah, I might sing just for a second. LOL. If you want me to play with my sister, my big sister, because she has a Minecraft account, you know her. You might know her as Glitch Girl. She's gonna change her channel name soon. As in like 85 days. And only a couple days till Christmas. And also, I came back from the birthday party like half an hour ago. And me and my mum were discussing about stuff, and since it's close to Christmas, I told my mum that I wanted a turtle for Christmas. So then she said that she could actually get me one. So that's gonna be nice. Yeah. And also my birthday's only a couple days after Christmas too. So that's good. Also, I know what I'm gonna record next week. Well, one of the videos. Because I wanna record 2 videos every weekend. So, instead of just one. Why is this so laggy? I watched yesterday's video and it was way laggier in the actual video than it was in the recording. So yeah, that was annoying. If you watched that, then yeah, you probably saw how laggy it was. But if you haven't watched it and you would like to, it's a car video. It's called Super Stunt Style. That was the first gaming video on my channel. And the second video on my channel ever. This is the third video that I'm currently recording. There's some trees. Ow, ow. Well, when I say some, I mean one. Why is there always a pink sheep in the world? I always wonder how that happens and why that happens. Well, I stopped seeing them for a while, and then, well, until today. Yeah, that's the first time I've seen a pink sheep in the wild for a long time. This world's brand new, so definitely no one has played in it before. Because I created it like 5 seconds before I started recording this. Got it. This is all the acacia wood. Anyway, and also got a muffler. I found my muffler, which is good. Hello, I am a big nose. I look like some sort of Pokemon, I guess. Wait. Does this sound annoying? Probably. I should probably stop. Someone asks, like, one day someone asks me what I do for work. And then they say they like sell furniture. And I say, I play video games for the internet. That's a really good job. I'm eating my alcohol. Yeah, I should stop. So how was your day? Mine was pretty good because I just recorded mine. And I forgot to tell you the aim of the series. Basically, all I'm going to try and do is, like, defeat the Ender Dragon, conquer the End City, and the normal end, which people don't normally do. But I've seen people do it before, and it seems pretty good. Okay, I'm only going to craft the pickaxe, because I can craft the sword with stone or iron. My maximum time to record a video is 15 minutes. So, if I reach 16 minutes, that's possible. Oh no, why is that tree burning down? What happened? What? How could this have happened? There was never a thunderstorm. Maybe I hear some lava. Ah, okay. Now I see what happened. Save the tree! Save the tree! Okay, probably like there was a tree close there. And then it got set on fire. And then there was like maybe another tree that set that tree on fire. Well, rest in peace any other tree that died. And the trunk's probably loading in. You can see what's next. Here is a lake with a fish. And seaweed. seagrass. It's a similar thing. Yeah, well, I didn't make too much progress. Well, anyway, I think this is a good place to end the video. If you're new to my channel, which you most likely are, please subscribe to it. Like this video. Subscribe to my sister's channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Creeper out. Love you. Bye.